Using glyphs or insert character, you come to, when we talk about glyphs are icons, or yeah, they are icons. Can you see them? How will you get them? You don't need to create them. There's a way you can get it in CorelDRAW. So we come to test menu, menu bar, then you click on glyph. In some CorelDRAW it will be insert character. So the shortcut is Ctrl F11. You click on it to come on your right hand side. So the ones you have already used are here. So depending on the one you want to use, like for example, depending on what you want to use, like if I want to use an icon of a house, just click and drag. And drag out. Can you see it? You might want to increase the size. Can you see it? Drag it by the side. You click again. Depending on the one you want to use. Like this one can signify time, venue. For venue, you can drag it and drop it. Can you see it? If you want it to be on a test, so you can see it. Once you drag it to the test, if you show this arrow, drop it. Can you see it? This is how it works. Let's make it more complex. For example, if I want to use icon for social media icon, we have a glyph for it. So you search for, I have the font. Depending on the font you have, it's only the font you have that will show here. So the font is social. You type the font here. That's it. To change. You can scroll down. These ones are available in my system now. Can you see that this one has square shape? Square shape. Let me go for Instagram. And drop it here. And drop it. Drag and drop. LinkedIn. Dribble. Bare hands. So depending on the one you want to use for design. So there are more of this. So this is how it works. You can just click and drag to where you want to use it. So this is how it works. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. You're welcome.